Stop by and take a look at the 2016 CX-3. The CX-3 is a fun and feisty roundabout with outstanding performance, style, and sophistication that outstrips the competition. The CX-3 subcompact crossover delivers unmatched driving dynamics right alongside outstanding fuel economy. It's the driving experience totally redefined and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.